Well, I don't know if you can hear me, but we just had some absolute dramas. We had a seal break in the surface cleaner in the handle. It blasted through and it got caught in both nozzles. Both nozzles got rubber stuck through. It took us absolutely ages to filter it, to clear them out. I've now changed that seal, and Chris is just walking along now with the surface cleaner. So obviously this is coming up quite nice. He'll go up and he'll come back down, get rid of those last little circles from the surface cleaner. And yeah, at long last we'll get this patio sorted, but unfortunately it's going to set us back slightly for the day. We have quite a lot to do and it's past 11 o'clock now, and we're only just really starting on the patio. And we've obviously got all this kit behind me to move. Once we get halfway, we're going to have to rinse, and then we'll move all this stuff to the other side and then clear it down. And then obviously we'll work our way up the steps into the drive. So I may have to come here tomorrow, or I may make this into 2 videos. We'll see how it goes. But I mean, obviously excuse me, because I'm out of practice with the filming. So I might not get the angles and etc. that I used to get. I think filming is going to take a bit of a back seat for the rest of the day. I'll just plonk the camera somewhere and we'll just leave it. So yeah, enjoy the rest of whatever's left of this video.
Yeah.
guys. I don't know if you can hear me that well, but yeah, the camera cut out, which is quite annoying. The SD card got full up, so I've just had to change it. But yeah, we've more or less finished the patio. As I said, we have no hypo whatsoever, and he's just flicked a stone up. No hypo whatsoever, but there's a few black spots kicking around. It's a bit here, so I think what I'm going to do is probably come back later in the week. Yeah, I might come back later in the week and just do a little hypo spot treatment just once my stuff arrives. But as it stands, I think it's looking pretty good. Chris is just finishing up the last bit, and then we're going to go up the side of the house and do the driveway. So hopefully I'll get all that on camera without it all cutting out. Alright guys, we are all finished. As I said with the driveway, we're not resanding, and there is still a few weeds ingrained. It needs a weed killer treatment, but the actual finish, brand new, no problem, looks really nice. The granite's been washed down, or black slate rather, but we're not going high pressure on black slate because you'll score the surface. So really that was just a rinse down. However, sandstone is looking nice.